Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to steam taro roots in the Instant Pot. You can see I already placed my inner pot with 1 cup of water. Now I place a trivet and around 500 grams of taro roots. You get in all Indian stores this taro roots. I just washed it once in the running water and placed it inside the steamer basket. Always make sure you place the trivet below the steamer, otherwise the water will go inside the any vegetable you steam using this one. Now I'm going to use the steam mode and set the time to 6 minutes. I don't want to be soggy, so I'm setting 6 minutes for the taro roots. You can go between 6 to 8 minutes. So it's got completed now. I'm doing a quick release. If you want a soft taro roots, then go for a normal release instead of a quick release. Now let's open and see how nice it's cooked. I just turned off the Instant Pot. I make sure that the vent goes inside completely before opening the Instant Pot. Now let's open the lid. Just wait for 2 minutes, then you can take it from the inner pot. Since many of you are beginners, here is one tip. You can place the lids on the side like I do. It's very easy and useful. Now I'm going to show you with the knife how nice it's cooked. I want a firm and soft taro roots. Like outside has to be a little bit firm, inside has to be soft. So that's a reason I put the timer 6 minutes for this taro roots. You can just play around and see what best suits your family. Now I'm going to just let it cool down in a plate for some time, not more than 5 or 10 minutes, because otherwise the taro root skin will not come easily for us to cook. So after a few minutes, you can just peel the skin easily from the taro roots and use it for any recipe you want. Maybe you can check my website on how to make a taro fry recipe. I already posted a recipe using this Instant Pot. I think I used 7 minutes for the recipe. You can go with 6 or 7 minutes and play around. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in comments. Definitely I'll answer your questions as soon as possible I can. And if you have any recipe requests, you can also leave that in comments. I'll try to do it as soon as possible because I'm just running between 2 kids in the home, so it's pretty challenging for me to edit the video and sit down and do things, but I'll try to make it whenever I find time and post it. So don't think I'm not hearing a request or something like that. Thank you for watching. This is Nitya signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.